project section. So for making this, we can add a new section. Okay, so here I think we have this BG also. So let's add this. Here we can name this projects. Here we can add 1300 max width. Okay, here we can just add it to the top, and here we can add it to the bottom. Here we have the BG. Okay, here we have the theme BG. Now we can just add this from the top. Let's add this one by one. Okay, so this is the power of the Elementor, that you can copy and paste your section from anywhere. Okay, we can also copy this, paste it here. Now we can go to the projects, and here we can make everything in the center. Okay, now you can see we have this project, so we can just rename, copy this, and here we can also remove this, where we can write our, we have these projects. Now we have to make these tabs. So for making the tabs, what we can do, we can search it here, tabs. Okay, we can just drag and drop this. Okay, now you can see we have this. So first let's make this. Okay, so now we can see we can just for the normal you can see we have this white and black, so we can make this white. Okay, and for the hover we can make this, and for the active also we can make this. Okay, like this. Now you can see we have these titles. Here you can see we have this. So for the normal we can make this black. Also we can use some fonts, like we can change the font size poppins. Okay, and for the hover also, for the hover we can make this white, and for this we can make this white. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this is looking good. Now for the tab, so we can have some gaps, and here also we can have some gaps, like we can keep 20, and this is the gap between tabs, like this. Now we can use this Scandium living room office space, so we can just write here living room. Okay, so you can paste whatever you want to add here, text according to you. So now you can see we have this tabs. Below that you have the tab 1. We can make this like this. Okay, then inside the tab 1 we have to make this type of layout. So first we have to add okay, so let's do one thing. Okay, you can see we will find this this option. Okay, now you can see we have the tab 1, name 1 and 2. Okay, so here we have to put a border like this at the top. So let's put that border first. Okay, here we can put 30, 40. Okay, and here also we have this one. We can make this this. We can also make this. Now here we can see we have the image, so we can just drag and drop this in the second one, and we can choose a random image. So let's choose this image. Okay, and for here you can see we have this heading. So let's add a new heading here, and this we can copy this. Okay, and here we can choose this, make this black. We can also increase and decrease the size and make this 500. Okay, then we have the lorem ipsum. Okay, lorem ipsum we have, and here we have the code. Okay, like this. Okay, and here we can make this black. We can make this custom value, and we can just decrease and decrease this. Okay, now we have this list, so we can search it for the list here. Here we can have this clean lines. Okay, and here we can have this. We can make this like this. For the icon we can make this to like this. Here also for the black we can make this theme black. Okay, I think we have build this. Now we have to now we want this button. We can copy this button from the top like this, and we can just go here, paste it. Okay, we can paste this below icon list like this. This will say view more. So view details, something like this. Now we have this gallery, so we can use a gallery widget here. Okay, we can just add a gallery widget. Here we can choose some different images, like we can choose these 2-3 images. Okay, let's choose only 2 images. Okay, so in this way you can make the gallery. Here we can make this 1 2 here, so we can make this to full. Okay, like this. So let's wait for it. Okay, so in this way, and here also we can put some gap now. So you can see we have tabs, projects. So you can see we have the tabs. Here we have the tab 1, inside we have 1 and 2. So we can just go to the tab. Here we can make everything in the center. And here we can put some gap like 60 pixel. Okay, we can put this like this. Okay, and you can just increase and decrease the height of this, like if you want to be to the end, you can just use it like this. Okay, so this is looking good. I hope you understand. So this is done. Now let's publish this. So one more thing, if you go to the preview, you can see we have this one. Also we have the second one blank. So also I think we have some gap at the top. For that I'm gonna use this distance one. Can add more distance. Let's add the 45 distance. Okay, now we can just do the tabs. Here we can duplicate this. Okay, also we can use this to have this here 30 20. Here we can add office space, family house, whatever you want to add the projects. Like here we can change the office space. Here we can add the family house. Okay, like this. Okay, so let's wait for some time. It will load like this. You can see. You can just now replace all of this content, and then it will look good. Okay, now let's see, and we're gonna refresh this website again. So I think our project section is also ready. You can see our project section is also ready.